Hello everyone, welcome to LeetCode Everyday from Noob to Pro series. Today is day 10 and today we are going to discuss about LeetCode 167 to some second input array sorted. Yesterday we had discussed about to some where array input array was not sorted. Okay, let's see what is given in this. Given sorted array and target value. Okay, we have given a sorted array. Second point is that find two numbers such that they add up to target. Return their one base indices. Return their one base indices means that suppose if we plus these two values 2 and 7, so it target is 9, so 2 plus 7 is equals to 9, right? And here if we return what is 1 0 and 1, but here we need to return one base indices, so here this will return 1 and 2. It will start with 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, need to pick two different numbers. Okay, we can't suppose if target value is 4, so we can't pick like 2 times 2. So here both the indices should be different. Return just one solution. Suppose here if target is equals to 9, right? So suppose here we have one more 7, so we can't give two solution like 2 7 like 1 and 5 or 1 and 2, right? We can't do. We just need to give a one solution. Okay, let's see how we can do this. So there are multiple solutions that we can do. Firstly is that brute force method, where the complexity will be where we'll use for loop, and then inside the for loop, so here the complexity become O of n square, right? And yesterday we have seen that we can use the hash map, but yesterday we have used the hash map because the array was not sorted, right? So we need another hash map where we have added all the values where we have seen, and then added their indices value. 2 like 2 is 1 7 2, if it is equals to target, and we are returning these values. Okay, but what we have seen yesterday that like the complexity, space complexity was O of n, right? And time complexity was O of n. But is there any method that we can make it more sorted, like there will be a space and time complexity will be less? Is there a possibility? Yes. Here if the array is already sorted, so we know that like here if it is 2, so we won't get 2 or 1 here. Okay, after this point, because it is already sorted, so we are going to the larger value than 2. So what we can do, we can use the two pointer method. Two pointer method, what is the what is mean of the two pointer? 15. Okay, firstly we will take a one left pointer and the right pointer. If the summation of both the values, if 15 and 17, 15 plus 2 is left, suppose left plus right double is equals to target. Okay, so we found this. What we found? We found our solution, so we'll return these indices of both the values. Okay, but what if left plus right value is greater than target? Okay, greater than target, so that means it is already less value. So what we need a more lesser value, so we'll decrease this value, this indices. So right pointer will be -1, we'll make a -1, will shift this pointer towards right side, right? And what if left plus right, we need a less value, right? Less than target. If it is value is greater, suppose here if plus 17 is greater than 9, yes, so we need lesser value. If suppose left is 2 and here plus, suppose here if the value is less than target, so what we need to increment the value so that we can go towards the target value, right? So we'll increment our left, right? We'll increment left pointer by 1, and when we'll get this our target value. But we make sure that the indices should not be same. Suppose here I is here and j is also here, left pointer is here and j pointer is here, and our target value is suppose if target is equals to 14, we can't return that. In that case we need to return empty value, because the indices should not be same. I double is not equals to j. Okay, left pointer is not equals to j. In that case we need to return empty because we not found any solution. I hope you understand this. And also here, if we think about the space complexity, here we are not maintaining any sort of hash table, right? So here the complexity, space complexity will be O of 1, and time complexity, because we are again going through all these value, so time complexity will be O of n. Okay, so let's discuss about the code. Here let's check. Here we have initiated our left pointer from 0 and right pointer at the end of the length. Okay, we'll make the loop all the values when left is less and right is greater. Okay, we don't want to cross those paths. If, because suppose 2, 7, 11, 15 and our target is equals to 9. What if here it is here right pointer, here left pointer, so we get the same value when left pointer is here and right pointer is here. So we make sure that left pointer is less than the right pointer. If number of left pointer plus number of right pointer double equals to target, yes, that means we found the value, but we need to again check that the pointer indices should not be same. So left pointer is not equals to the right pointer. In that case we are going to return a left pointer, right pointer. Why we are doing +1? Because we have also seen that here indices should not start from 0, but in Python it start from 0. So it 1 0 1 2 3. So if value is 2 and 7, so here indices is 0 and 1. So what will return? +1 +1. Sorry, not the value but the indices, 0 + 1 and 1 + 1. So 1 and 2. Okay, else we return, suppose we have found the value, okay, but those pointers are not equal, so we return this. If condition, number left pointer plus right pointer is less than target, value is less, what we need to do, we need to make the value should be equals to target. In that case, if the value is less, then we need larger value. How we will get the larger value? When we increment our left pointer, right? And what if number left pointer plus right pointer is greater than the target? What if it is greater than target? Then in that case we need to decrease our pointer, right pointer. Okay, let's take an example. Here 2, 7, 11, 15. Okay, so left pointer starts from 0, it's pointing here, and right pointer is starting length -1, so it pointing here, it's 3. Okay, so if number of numbers left plus number of right double equals to target, 15 plus 2 is equals to 17, is both are equal? No, it is not equal. So what it is, the what is this? 17 what, or 9, target is 9, so this one is greater, right? So we need to decrement our pointer, so here it will come. Again it will check 2 plus 11, 2 plus 11 means 13, what 13 is greater than 9, right? So again we'll increment our this pointer, it will point at 7, so 2 plus 7, here 9, so 9 double equals to 9, right? And here we'll check, there is a one more check, that left pointer is not equals to right pointer. Left pointer is 0 and right pointer is 1. Yes, this condition will true. Return left pointer plus 1. Left pointer is 0, so 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, so we will get the output 1 and 2. Again we have already discussed that space complexity will be, because we are maintaining only these variable left and right pointers, so order of 1, and time complexity will be order of n, because we are going through the loop. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thank you.